Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing. Checking out this foldable chair. That's right, a chair fits in this box. Let's check it out here. All right. This is a heavy duty guy for camping, for whatever. Very compact, lightweight, maybe 5 pounds. Look at that, it's got metal. Solid metal there, looks like, I don't know, some kind of aluminum or something. Pretty burly, little strap here. Just undoes this. And then these simply fold out. These little legs here fold out and they're gonna click into place. Okay. Then you have this back portions here. They have the ones, you know, the back ones are, they have the little slots in them. You just pull these up until it pops out right there. You hear that little popping noise, so just grab and pull up, and there you have it. Your chair is ready. Let's take this to the living room and see how comfy it is. All right, well look at this. It's a little nice and compact. This is actually really comfortable. Just kind of relax in here. You can kick back. This is cozy, my friends. It's a nice, cozy little chair that you can set up in seconds and put anywhere, whether you're out camping, fishing, going to the game, anything. Just lightweight, you can carry it with you, and just, it's actually nice and comfortable and cozy. And then to collapse it, we just go the opposite of what we did. Simply push in this button, and those push down. Push in the button, and those push down. And then this button right here on the bottom, push that in and those collapse. Make sure that it's pushed all the way. There we go. And those will keep collapsing. If you put pressure on while it's collapsing, while you're pressing it, it's going to be difficult to close those. But then you find your little strap that was out. Let's see, where'd my little strap go? Where'd it go? There it is, okay. And then we simply just basically wrap this around this, like this. All right, that way. Snap that in and my chair is ready to go. Look at that. Solid and sturdy. This is like some kind of like a canvas, rugged, durable material here. One solid piece there. Look like the nice stitching on there as well. Just really super compact, comfortable, easy to set up and put away. Metal. Yeah, a great idea and surprisingly comfortable. Thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. I hope it's helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time.